Day and night. A tree looks different during the day and different at night. Let us do this fun activity together, which shows the effect of time on a tree. You will need poster paints, toothbrush, palette, blank sheet of paper, cotton buds. Pour paints of different colors on a palette and add some water to them. Place a blank paper on the right side of the tree. Dip the toothbrush, bristle side down, in some green paint. Use your fingers to spray the paint on the left side. Allow it to dry. Now place the blank paper on the left side of the tree. Dip the toothbrush in some purple paint and spray on the right side of the tree. Allow it to dry. Dip the cotton bud in yellow paint and draw the sun on the left side. Dip the cotton bud in white paint and draw the moon on the right side. The tree shows the effect during day and night time.